Hi guys, it's almost the end of August and I've put together a list of things that I've been using a lot of in August, and these are my favorites, right from makeup to food to accessories. It's what I've been loving this August, so maybe you can go and try out some of these as well. So I'm starting with the Coastal Scents Revealed palette. This is supposed to be a dupe for the famous Urban Decay Naked palette, and honestly even the name is kind of a dupe, but it has 20 shadows and it's got stuff ranging from like creams to peach to like matte plums and blacks, and I love this thing. I've been using it all of August. It's available on the Coastal Scents website, I think for about 19 USD, and there are I think $10 shipping, so it actually is a very economical option if you want 20 shadows. And the pigmentation of these shadows is actually really good, like those are really pigmented shadows. So if you guys are not getting your hands on Urban Decay Naked, then this is a really nice palette to have as well. Favorite thing number 2 is what's on my nails right now. It's the Maybelline Color Show Polish in, let me see, I think this is, yeah, Coral Craze. And this is like just a really nice peach. If you know me, you know I absolutely love peach nail polishes on my nails, and this is, I think this is just 75 bucks, so it's really affordable as well. But definitely the kind of polishes you can buy at least 20 different colors from, and this one's really pretty. Third favorite thing is this Body Shop White Musk Smoky Rose. I've actually never tried a fragrance from the Body Shop before this, but I'm in absolute love with this. This is a very me fragrance. It's like warm and comforting and sweet, but it's not like sickly sweet. It still has, you know, it still has a mature tone to it, but it's playful, so I love that about it. This retails for $13.95 for 30 ml. Which is pretty good for the kind of fragrance it is. It lasts decently long and it's just a really nice date night, playful kind of scent to have. And if you like scents like Prada Candy, which have that, you know, vanilla kind of candy flavor but still is not very fruity and childish, you will absolutely love this. My third favorite thing is something you would have already spotted in my videos. It's the Bobbi Brown foundation. I recently just got a refill of this as well. I use the shade Natural Tan, if for those of you who want to know. But this is such a nice foundation, not just for, you know, for photographs, but even in real life. It looks really nice. It doesn't look like you've got any foundation on. It's a very natural finish. It lasts very long and it's not super matte or super dewy, so it has a very good finish in between. Coming to my next favorite thing, which is neither a makeup or a fashion item, it's actually tea. This is actually the vanilla cupcake flavored iced tea. I just got it because it's just a very unique flavor. Like, I've never seen a cupcake flavored iced tea before. But essentially it's like, it tastes a little bit like vanilla frosting. And if you like green tea or if you like iced tea, then this is really nice. This is from a tea boutique called Sancha in Gurgaon, and they have some really cool flavors. Like, there's this one called the Sherbet iced tea, and then they have other flavors like cinnamon and chocolate and things like that. So this is something I've been drinking a lot. The next thing I really love is this chain that my mom got for me. It's in silver and it's actually just a bracelet that you wear around like this. And I actually really liked it, but then somebody commented on this saying that it looks like Salman Khan's chain, like what he wears in Dabangg. So now I'm like rethinking whether it's that nice, because it does look like Salman Khan's chain. Next is something that's in my purse a lot. This is floral printed. It's a very cute mirror by Forever 21, and it's just nice to have in your bag whenever you want to, you know, a quick touch up to see whether you're looking fine. Honestly, I don't even think I use it that much. I just bought it because it's floral print and it's just really cute to have in your bag. I don't think I've opened it even more than twice in the last month. And finally, something you may have seen me wearing in some of my videos as well. It's this chunky necklace that was gifted to me by this Facebook shop called Rosabelle Treasures. They do some really nice like chunky accessories and necklaces, and they're pretty affordably priced, so you guys should check them out. But I just really love the colors, like the mint green with the pastel, and it's got shine in it, so it looks really nice if you're going out and you want something to that completely, you know, lift your look or make it a little more formal. Coming to skincare, I don't use too many skincare products, but one thing I really like is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. And this is just really nice because the thing about Kiehl's products is that they have a lot of balance. I don't know how else to explain it, but they don't break you out, they're not harsh, they're very mild. So this is something that's really good for my skin. It doesn't dry my skin out. I have very, very dry skin after I wash my face with this. So I really recommend this if you're looking for a nice facial cleanser. And the last thing is actually my iPhone cover. This is something that my cousin got for me from Singapore. It's by Victoria's Secret, and it actually gives a nice lace effect to my iPhone. Not to mention the amount of times I drop it, it also prevents it from breaking. So yeah, that's my last favorite thing for August. So these were my favorites for August. Comment below and let me know if you've tried any of these, or if you want to tell me your favorites for August that I should try. Hope you guys liked the video, and keep watching peachesandblush.com on YouTube. Stay tuned.